Yo, guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Whoa, it's been a long time, man. I've been out of YouTube for like, is it up to 2 years now? I think like 2 years. I've been away from YouTube. Like, it's really killing. I've been up to like a lot of things, been up to, man, I'm really sorry that I left YouTube for so long. I've been up to life, I've been up to trading. Yo, guys, I've been up to a lot of things, trying to develop as a person, trying to develop as the individual into the individual that I want to be, and also focusing on trading. You know how trading is. Trading can give you bass blows sometimes. Sometimes it can hit you hard. Sometimes it can make you laugh. It can make you smile. Yo, a lot of things. Trading don't do different kind of things to me over the years, but now I am back and I am fully back to my YouTube page. And I'm going to be dropping a lot of educational content for you. You know how your boy does all these things on a normal day. It's your favorite boy XFPK, and you know I'm going to drop good content for you. I'm here to drop educational content. I'm here to drop educational videos. I'm here to teach you about the Forex market, because the Forex market is a very, very good place to be. But at the same time, it's a very dangerous place to be. You know what I'm talking about when I say it's a very dangerous place to be.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
So we all know how this game goes. Forex is a very lovely experience. It has been a very lovely experience so far. I have focused on Forex a lot, and now I feel like I should share a lot online. I'm usually not the type of person to come online and talk about a lot of things, but there's a lot of knowledge to share around, and I have a YouTube channel. So I am back to my YouTube channel. I am back to giving out the informations that you need as a Forex trader to forge ahead in the Forex space. Because this Forex space is going to humble you. As I am like this, I have humbled the market. I have been humbled by the market. I am still humbling the market. The market itself is still humbling me. God, this market is a very, very nice place to be. Different kind of emotional experience. So I am XFPK Roy. I'm still your favorite boy, and I'm back to drop hot content for you. Just expect the best. You already know that I'm going to drop this thing. Just expect it. Thank you, and I will need you to subscribe to my channel if you like my videos and you like what I say, you like what I will be talking about, and you like what I'll be doing. Just simply subscribe, like my videos, and show some love. Show some love to your boy. More things coming, you know.